You got to trade for that button. There, he dropped it.
What's that button? It's okay.
All for you. Aw, how sweet. How sweet he is. Take care of the wildlife, guys. I implore you. He was being a little ornery, and now he's chilling. He's like, okay, let me come on this side. That's just beautiful.
Yes.
He's like, where? How beautiful. This is such a sweet interaction. He dropped that button.
You don't want to feed it?
I would love to.
It's just gonna.
How beautiful. Oh, I think it talks.
He doesn't like the banana.
Maybe not, but it is still a beautiful bird. Oh, sorry. She said, don't touch me. Okay, let's go back to our friend. He's still over here chilling. You guys, this is, you know, I don't like the chains. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah.
So gentle.
He's going back to the top of your hat. Oh, he wants your button. He's getting it. Okay, he's getting it. He's already pulled it almost all the way off. Do you think he likes seeds or something and it looks like a seed?
Come on.
All right. What a beautiful bird. Ciao for now, you guys.